Exciting news for traders and crypto enthusiasts. KuCoin, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, has just announced the world premiere listing of XYRO. It's time to dive into what makes this listing special and how you can leverage this opportunity to enhance your trading strategies. If you don't already have a KuCoin account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. Starting January 23, 2025, XYRO will officially be available for trading on KuCoin. Paired with USDT, the trading pair XYRO USDT opens up brand new avenues for users to explore innovative DeFi opportunities. KuCoin continues to revolutionize the trading experience by onboarding promising projects like XYRO. XYRO is designed to empower decentralized financial ecosystems. With its advanced tokenomics, it's built for both efficiency and scalability. Traders and investors, keep an eye out for this one. It's ready to make waves in the crypto world. Looking to maximize your potential with XYRO? INEHub has got you covered. We're offering free trading signals to help you navigate the volatility of crypto markets. Our professional strategies cover not just XYRO but other top-performing crypto and Forex pairs. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Check out XYRO on KuCoin and join INEHub today to access free lifetime trading signals that give you the edge you need in the trading world. Click the link in the description below to learn more and stay ahead of the game.